Alright guys, what's up? This is the Lowe's gift center that they have. We're gonna walk through it. Let's see what we got. So we got a Craftsman Headlamp, $15.28. What do you see, Eric, that you're liking?
A lot of the Craftsman stuff.
A lot of the Craftsman stuff. $2.99 for a kit. Well, it's $4.49. Wow.
Look at this,
Oh.
walkie-talkies, man.
Wow. Craftsman has everything. Remember, you gave me a set of those Craftsman a long time ago.
I remember that. Do you remember it?
Those are the originals.
Yes. Yep, those handles. Yeah, you're right.
Still.
It's actually a cool little light for 13 bucks.
Yeah, it's got a magnet on the side of it.
Yeah, and put it on the back of your bag or something like that.
Does it feel quality? Oh yeah, it does.
It's like heavy duty. It feels good.
Yeah.
You know what I've always liked? I don't. What do you think of their wrenches and all that? Like, I actually like their wrenches, but I don't.
Honestly, they're just wrenches. You know what I'm saying? They're just like, to me, they're just wrenches. So like Husky, whatever, you know.
So a wrench is a wrench?
Well, if it's just a wrench with a lifetime warranty, sure.
Yeah.
You know. $29.99.
These are actually good little sets to keep in the truck.
Yeah, I like this one because it's actually a mini set. You don't see too many mini sets.
Yeah.
And I feel like the mini sets are really cool. Wow, this is on clearance for $14. What do you think of Craftsman Tapes?
I have never even used one.
Really? Oh wow, that's cool. The colors.
Yeah.
I like how they went with the colors. Alright guys, Pocket LDM for 19 bucks. I'm saying this is a great deal right here, right? These are just fun and cool to have.
They're cool. You know what they're good for is like a painter or
realtor,
some type of installer, realtor, all that.
Crossline laser. Remember in the early days, Skill had the laser levels. Remember? That was crazy. Alright, we're going to keep walking around, you guys. We're going to keep walking around. We got some... Ooh, Black Friday surprise. What?
I know what's in there.
What?
Some type of cardboard box, man.
No. What's up, man? How you doing? Ooh, check this out. Is this the new double drive? Wow, they have a new double drive. $12.88. That's actually a really good deal. Man, this feels nicer than the double drive we got. Remember? We had a...
Oh my god, it does. I like that. Yeah, it does feel.
Yeah,
nicer.
It feels a lot different. This is like a new double drive.
Huh.
Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Keep walking here, you guys. We got some drill kits, some Cobalt stuff. To me, Cobalt, Craftsman, you know, like I said, Husky, all in that same range of, you know, they're inexpensive tools, but they have that lifetime warranty. $6 for a pair of shears, not bad. $6.98. Cobalt Scissors for $5.98. They feel pretty nice, actually. Oh, see, this is cool, Eric, right here. I love these little kits. Like, actually, you guys, for $4.98, this is a great little electronic screwdriver, and I'm going to tell you why. Eric, what do you notice about that? The weight.
Yeah.
Do you feel how heavy it is?
Yeah, I didn't know if it was this, though, but
no,
I like
it's all
that,
metal.
You know?
Yeah, I mean, obviously the packaging weighs, but it's all metal. That's why that's a really good one.
Now, let me ask you a question. Do you want metal when you're doing electronic stuff, or no?
Well, yeah, it's gonna have, the tip's always metal. So
but I mean, like even the handle and stuff, right? Yeah. That could be aluminum.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, all right, cool. Some more kits over here. Let's see.
Kit. Here's a 24-volt kit.
Oh, how much?
I don't know. I can't find the price. That's the thing. I'm wondering if it's a Black Friday thing or.
I don't know.
Let's see.
There's got to be a price.
No price. Oh, 400.
400. All right, you guys. What did we talk about on the Cobalt 24? Oh wow, this has the Oscillating Tool too. Wow, and that recip's new.
Yeah.
That's not a bad price, really. You guys, the 24 volt is a little more powerful than your typical 20 volt.
6 tools, 2 batteries, and a charger.
Wow. All right, let's see. Drill kit stuff. Folding hex keys. Some Cobalt pliers. I don't know about these things. What do you think? Oh, these feel a lot more heavy duty this year. Wow. We had a set of this. It didn't feel so heavy duty. Really? Feel that.
Oh, wow.
That is heavy duty feeling, right?
I like that. How it kind of,
just grip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is. You're right, man. That is a lot more heavy duty.
Yeah, last year it was just really just, you know. What else we got going on here? Some more pliers, you guys. Wow, they're really going to town on pliers.
This is a good deal right here. I think 13 bucks, fam.
For some pump pliers? Yeah. Or some adjustable wrenches. vice grip style locking pliers, $12.98. I mean, actually, that is pretty good. You can get all these pliers and fill up a toolbox for.
That's what I mean. Yeah, 36.
36 bucks. 39 bucks. If you
Oh
go,
yeah,
yes,
yeah, you're right.
Just the 98.
Very good. I like that.
Well, I think that's like when they price them. I mean, you know, if they put 20 bucks, it doesn't seem as cheap as if 19.
I know.
You know.
19, I'm a buyer for 20. I'm like, oh, there's 20 bucks.
Yeah. All right, you guys. This is actually a really good toolkit right here. It's a bunch of Cobalt screwdrivers for 20 bucks. Here's the kits that Eric likes for 24. I mean, it's good looking stuff. I like Cobalt. I've always liked Cobalt as a brand.
You know what I like? I like just boom, you can look at it right away. So you know, metric, SAE. You know what I mean?
Right. See, these are cool. I like stuff like this too because this is just cool to have. You always need this, and boom, you enter it for 12 bucks.
Yeah. I actually might get a set of these.
Really? They're good to have. Well, for the shop, because I have them at the shop.
Do you?
Where did we see this at? Oh, the Walmart event. Remember they had something like this?
That was another one.
This looks way better. Wow, this is actually a nice tool right here. 15
so
bucks.
what's this in the middle?
Actually, it holds some of the bits,
them.
but it's also a handle to give you extra torque. I've just started seeing companies do that. It's pretty crazy. Just your typical homeowner kit right there, you guys. $29. What's this? Illuminator. Ooh, wow. This thing's pretty crazy. Wait, what? I don't get it. So you either get the 2 lights for 19 or the single light.
One might be higher.
They look exactly the same, Eric.
I'm wondering if it's
Is one bigger? Yeah, that. What?
No, but this has a different type. What's this?
Oh, it's got motion.
Automatic, yeah, motion sensor.
Automatic drawer light. Oh, that's a good idea. Wow, you put them in the drawer so when you open them.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that's actually a really good idea. That would actually make a good video on its own. Back to the double driver over here. Let's see, toolkit, 59 bucks, $59. So yeah, they're
Nice little socket set to get you going for 60 bucks.
Yeah, 129 piece. But check this out, you guys. These are ratcheting. Wow, that's a nice ratcheting kit. 60 bucks. And then over here we have their other stuff. These are great, you guys, to have in your garage. Check this out. That's all it is. It's that small and that light. And you put them together. The only thing is they do pinch your fingers, so always wear gloves when you're using something like that. Black Friday surprise. I would open it for you guys, but I don't want to get in trouble. Alright. What else we got? What's this True Touch? Oh, a de-shedding glove. Isn't it crazy? Honestly, like when big box stores started to put stuff out like this out, I'm like, oh my god, this is why are you putting this out? Now I love it.
Yeah.
It's like one of my favorite things because you always see stuff like this pipe blaster. We actually did a video on that on Instagram. You pump it and it pushes air through your drain.
Oh, that's actually a good idea.
Yeah.
Did you have one of these?
No.
Oh.
Turbo scrub, you guys. The rodent sheriff and the Nighthawk lights. Let's see what else is down here. A lot of flashlights. Never heard of this Lux Pro brand. I've never heard of Lux Pro, have you?
No.
They actually seem to be pretty decent though. Wow, that's actually, wow, it's like a mag light with rubber on it.
Oh wow, that is, yeah. 280 lumen.
13 bucks. This is where you guys find the good gifts. You guys that are on a real tight budget and you want to just get people in your family